Hello everybody, today we're going to be doing a review and demo of Helium hair products. Finally. Helium was so nice. I kind of saw that I had made an account and tried to buy their products, and they were like, we're going to send you everything. I've got everything here. Today we are going to go through pretty much the whole hairstyling range. Not pretty much, it is the whole hairstyling range, and just give you a bit of feedback. I'm also doing a giveaway of a few of the Helium products, so stay tuned till the end to find out how you can win that, open worldwide. So let's just start, shall we? We're gonna start with the Supernova pomade. This is a part of their black armor kind of set. Comes in packaging like this, very nice. I don't usually use pomades. Like, I never have a situation that calls upon a pomade. I find pomades are usually for super smart occasions. So when I use a pomade, I like to apply it as a pre-styler and a styling product. So I'll put a bit of pomade into damp hair, blow dry that through. That kind of really helps to set the side parting as well. And then once it's all dry, go in with a comb and the pomade as a styling product. There wasn't a massive shine, there wasn't a super shine, but it was nice and healthy and shiny looking. This product also claims to have strong hold, and it did have a very strong hold. I was actually surprised because, like, looking back at the video of me styling it now, it doesn't look like a strong rock hard hold, but it is a really good hold. That's not to say if you run your fingers through it, it's not gonna go out of place, but if you don't touch it, you're good. It's a very good hold. It washed out very easy as well, being a pomade, most of them do. Smell of it is very average. I feel like I have a pomade that smells exactly like this. It's a nice smell. It went through very well in my hair, both wet and dry. And yeah, it had a nice natural shine to it. It wasn't that super shiny. It says it has, but that's not a problem for me. That really doesn't bother me. Next up, we have the Next up, we have the Impact Factor Hairstyling Wax. So this product looks like your normal kind of like wax creamy hybrid, but it's actually very hard initially, and was quite hard to get out. I had to dig in with my fingernail. But you do find that with products that are a bit more naturally derived. So it was fine, rubbed in my palms, okay-ish. I always worry about lighter products in my hair because I have very dark hair, so you can tend to see stuff like product in my hair. This product is aimed at very straight, thin, and Asian hair, all of which I don't have. I have straight hair, I'm not Asian, and it's not thin. So this product really isn't made for me. But saying that, look at the volume that it gave my hair. Obviously, I blow dried my hair into place, and usually when I put products in my hair, especially heavier products like this, it tends to weigh my hair down. But look at how it kept that volume up. So if you do have very fine hair that has problems standing up, once you blow dry your hair into place and apply this through, it's not gonna drag your hair down, which is perfect for thin hair. This does claim to have a natural finish, and it had a very natural finish, to the point where I was looking at my hair and thinking, is it even in my hair? Like, do I have product in my hair? But you know, again, perfect. When you have fine hair, you don't want that product in there weighing it down. So yeah, it was good. It was quite hard to get out, but once I had it warmed up, it was absolutely fine. Yeah, a bit of trouble getting it through my hair, but again, it's not made for my hair type. It's not made for thick hair. Next up is the Formidable Hair Styling Clay. I didn't film this because it's in my hair now. I use this every single day. I absolutely love this product. I don't want to sound rude. This is going to sound really horrible, but when how do I say this? I didn't expect much from these products. Is that bad to say? I don't know why. When I got this, I was like, I'm gonna try it out straight away. Let's see what it's all about. And I was very impressed. When I see clays like that, I think that is rock hard. That's not gonna get through my hair. With this product, especially when you rub your fingers in it, it doesn't melt, but it warms up super quick. In between your fingertips, warms up super quick, and gives me just this everyday kind of style and texture that I like in my hair. It smells like a nice clean aftershave, but not that overbearing manly scent that I don't like. So it's matte, yeah, it's got quite a matte finish and a firm hold. It's got a very good hold. I still spray my hair because out of habit, I like to spray my hair in place, but the hold is actually really good in this. It's like a weird mix of like a cream and a clay. I don't think it's meant to be, but in my opinion, it's soft enough to go through wavy hair and work with your waves and like natural kinks that you have in your hair. Again, it doesn't weigh down my hair. Yeah, really happy with it. I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't know why I didn't expect I don't know. I think overall I'm just very happy with it. So yeah, really love that one. This is the one I'd recommend getting over everything, actually. I love this one. Now we move on to their classics range, and they sent me like this really cool little, they're demo set of all their classic products. So in here we have Iceman, Freshman, Cardinal, Zero G. We're going to start off with Zero G, and this is their hair styling clay with extreme hold and a matte finish. Again, recommended for wavy and curly hair. It says that it gives you like a neat finish, which yeah, I guess it does if you want it to be. I guess like depending on how you style it. One thing I did notice though, it was very good with my frizzy flyaways, so maybe that's what they mean by a neat finish. I didn't have all these little like damaged ends that you can usually see in my hair. Also claims to give you nice heavily textured hair. Again, if you want it to be, yeah, it does give you a good texture depending on how you work it. And it's also felt quite easy to restyle as well. Very good hold, very good volume, like the majority of their products actually. This brand overall seemed to have initial hold and volume down in their products. Like they seem to have worked out how to get that initial hold in a styling product. The only thing I didn't like about this product is it smells like wet sand, like a bit of like wet gravel. It didn't really have much of a smell, but I guess that's good in a way because it's probably the clay in there. If it's got clay in it, the bentonite clay or whatever clay they use, that's its kind of natural smell. This was very hard to rub in fully into my hair. Having black hair, you do tend to see a lot of product if you don't rub it in properly, and I did find it quite difficult. And I didn't actually notice, but again, looking back at the footage, I got bits of like white in my hair, which is the product that couldn't rub in very well. The next product is Cardinal. This is a hair styling wax with strong hold. It's got a matte finish, and again, recommended for straight, thin Asian hair. So we all know I don't like the smell of heavy, like fake fragrances in hairstyling products because I feel like it ruins my own preferred fragrance. This Cardinal product is one of the nicest smelling things I have ever smelled in my whole entire life. It smells fresh, it smells sweet, it smells clean, it's not overbearing, and this is where it's kind of good to mention that Helium actually do body spray deodorant versions of their products, and this smells exactly like it. So when I smelled the product, I was like, that is it, and I was spraying this all over me. I love it. It smells very, very nice. So yeah, I'm really glad they do that. I think that's such a good idea because that is one thing that bothers me. Like if you're gonna make your product smell like a certain way, like a signature, release a fragrance as well. So yes, it has very good medium hold. Again, this isn't really for my hair because I have thick hair. This is for fine thinning hair. Yeah, good hold, very natural finish. Again, didn't look like I had product in my hair at all. And it kind of gave me that slouchy, disheveled, kind of like, I just ran my fingers through my hair kind of look, which I always want to pull off but never quite can. So even though this is for the fine hair, I'm gonna be keeping it because of the smell, and it actually worked quite well on my hair. It was a little bit grainier than I thought it would be looking at it. And another thing is, it says this is good in wet hair to use as a pre-styler as well. I can't really see it working well in wet hair. Like I don't see how the texture would, I don't know, I'll need to try it. But again, I think this is probably my second favorite product, even though it's not for my type of hair. The instant hold and boost of volume it gives your hair is very, very good, like hassle-free hair. Next up is Freshman. This is a hair styling cream with good hold and a wet look finish. It's meant to be good for all hair types. It says you can never go wrong with this product. So this had very good hold for my thick hair and styled my hair instantly, which was a good thing because I was like, oh, I'm done. But then it also made me feel like I couldn't go back through and style it had I made a mistake. And once it was in my hair, it did feel a little bit heavy once it had set. So I can't see it. It says all hair types. I can't see it working too well in very fine hair. But when I put this through, it was almost silky. Like, my hand went through and just kind of slipped out the back of my hair. I was like, whoa, like it went through super easy, very, very nice. And it does have that wet look finish, like I've just come out of the shower, ran my fingers through my hair, you know, just come out of water kind of thing, which I like on the odd occasion to kind of push back. I'd love to test this as a pre-styling product because I think it'll give your hair that really good initial hold. But yeah, good, nice shine. Clumped the hair together a little bit, but it is that wet look that it does claim to have. What was I gonna say? This is the kind of product I'd use over a pomade. Pomades for me are a little bit sticky and I don't really like working with pomades, so I prefer something like this. And finally we have Iceman. I don't really have much to say on this. The colour was nice. I think that's like the main thing for me here. It was a good pomade. This one says you can use it obviously in wet hair or dry hair. Because I used our first pomade in wet and dry, I just wanted to see how this worked in dry hair, and it kind of gave me that kind of wet look finish with volume, which I never want. But yeah, the colour's nice, but I do prefer their other pomade to this. So yeah, I think their like classic kind of sample set is really handy to have. Their Black Armour collection I think is so good. Like, I love it. I'm so happy that I have them and I would 100% recommend that you guys go and get them. They really do have something for everyone in every style, so they're really, really good. They also sent me their Deter Hair Serum, which is good. Very oily, very, very oily. So I use it on my ends, just where I'm a little bit dry. Not all the time, quite heavy. But yeah, great on towel dried hair. It's too heavy for my hair to use in the morning, so I'd use it in the evening, just on the ends of my hair in clean towel dried hair. So yes, to the giveaway, there is going to be 3 winners. This is open worldwide, and this is what the prizes are. So there's a few different combinations. The first prize is going to be a full size of the Iceman pomade, as well as the deodorant body spray fragrance of it. Very nice, refreshing, clean scent. You'll have to excuse the packaging, because the packaging's nice, but when it was sent over to me, the box arrived a little bit battered up. Obviously not Helium's fault, that's the Royal Mail for you. Second prize is going to be a full size of the 0G hair clay, as well as the fragrance that comes along with it as well. And the third prize is a little bit random, but it's a full size hair serum, as well as the freshman fragrance. To win all of these, all you have to do is go to my latest Instagram picture of the Helium products. It will be the first, newest picture that is labeled competition picture. You have to be following me as well on Instagram and comment. All you need to comment is what prize you want to win. So for the full size Iceman and fragrance, just comment with Iceman. For the 0G full size and fragrance, comment 0G. And for the freshman and hair serum, comment serum. Winners are picked at random, complete random, not by me, by a machine. This competition is open worldwide. Don't message me saying how much you want them, how much you want to win, because it makes no difference, okay? Yeah, thanks so much to Helium. They didn't sponsor this, but they sent me all their products for free, which I'm really grateful for. They didn't have to do that. So definitely check out their sample pack and the Black Armour range. Incredible again. What else? I think that's it, guys. That is it from me now. I will see you next time.